我叫亚历山大，我从俄罗斯来的，现在我住在海南，在博鳌镇，我做自己的品牌，我们做冲浪板和冲浪配件。
Alexander came to Hainan in 2011 at the invitation of a friend. He was soon captivated by the beautiful scenery of the island and decided to stay and learn Chinese.
我来了，我觉得海南很漂亮的地方，空气很好，有水果，有大海。
He used to ski in Russia and developed a fondness for kite surfing after he arrived in Hainan.
博鳌在中国一个很有名的风筝冲浪的地方，我可以搬家到这里。
Alexander registered his trademark in China in 2015 and then set up his own company 2 years later.
2015年，我设计了第一个我的班，我们跟朋友去毛里求斯，在那边，我的俄罗斯的朋友见过我的冲浪板，说很不错，我们也要这样的。他们订了20片冲浪板，从这个时候我开始做自己的品牌。
Alexander now designs surfboards and related accessories. He works with factories in China's Guangdong and Zhejiang provinces to produce the products. His products are not only sold in China, but also available in other countries such as Russia and Vietnam through e-commerce.
我觉得俄罗斯的人在中国做生意很方便。我是小的公司跟小的工厂合作，如果我发展到大的公司，我就可以找到很大的公司，可以跟他们合作。